how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify account. Hello everyone, on this tutorial I'm going to show you first how to easily link your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify account. Then I will give you the easy method to dropship and import any product from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, you need to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. Then tap cjdropshipping.com. Then guys, you need to create an account and hit on register. Then guys, you need to add your email address and password and confirm password, or you can link it with an existing email address like this. Then after creating an account successfully on CJ Dropshipping, then go back to your Shopify dashboard. Then on the bottom, hit on settings. Then guys, scroll down to apps and sales channel. Then on the top, hit on Shopify App Store. Then guys, in the search bar, tap CJ Dropshipping. Then I prefer to choose this one because it's free version and easy to use for a beginner or a dropshipper. As you see guys, this is the different option application, but this one it's good for a beginner. Then hit on CJ Dropshipping. Then hit on install. As you see guys, this is the easy method to link your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Then hit on install. Then guys, wait a few seconds to install the application. Then guys, welcome to CJ. One step more to store authorization. Then you need to click and hit on authorize to link your CJ Dropshipping account to your Shopify store. Then hit on authorize. Then hit on confirm. Then guys, it take a few seconds to link your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then guys, your CJ Dropshipping was linked successfully to Shopify. Then guys, I will give you now and I will show you how to easily import any product from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Then guys, make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to dropship any product from CJ to your Shopify account. Then guys, I will pick a random product, for example this one. As you see guys, I will show you how easily import the product. Then guys, on the bottom, hit on list. It's take you directly to the dashboard application. As you see guys, this is my Shopify account. Then the product type for example bags. Then you can add more product types. Then the title, you can add this title or you can customize it, for example fashion bags products, for example this one, and you can remove this one. Then go directly to variation and the variant pricing. Then you need to add the price. For example, this is the total dropshipping price. You can add the same price, for example 9.99. for example, you can ship my order United States of America. You can customize the product from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Then guys, you can add some picture, or you can remove any picture that you want, or you can choose which picture will be the main picture, the cover image. Then guys, and the description, also you can customize the description and the picture on the description. As you see guys, the product was completely added to your Shopify. Then guys, hit on list now. Then please enter your store name. Where is the store? Please enter your store price. This one, 9.99. all the variation product, 9.99. Then guys, hit on list now. Then wait a few seconds to list your product automatically to your Shopify store. It's take a few seconds guys, don't worry. As you see guys, your product was listed successfully. Then go directly to your Shopify dashboard, then hit on products. As you see guys, your product was successfully added to your Shopify store. It is active product. Then guys, if you want to see your product on your Shopify store, tap on this eye icon. It's take you directly to your store. As you see guys, this is the product on your Shopify store. It's easily to import any product and dropship any product from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify, and you can choose another product. For example, you can add any product that you want to your Shopify account. As you see guys, this is the only method. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.